Welcome back to CodeNurture. In today's video, we'll dive into the fundamentals of programming. Whether you're a complete beginner or have a bit of experience, understanding these basics is crucial for your coding journey. So, what exactly is programming? Programming is essentially the process of creating a set of instructions that tell a computer how to perform specific tasks. These instructions are written in a language that the computer can understand. There are many programming languages, each with its own syntax and use cases. Some of the most popular languages include Python, JavaScript, Java, and C++. Now, why is programming important? First, programming allows us to automate tasks. This means we can write code to perform repetitive or complex tasks quickly and accurately. Second, programming helps in problem solving. It encourages logical thinking and the ability to break down large problems into manageable parts. Third, learning to code opens up a wide range of career opportunities. From web development to data science, programming skills are highly sought after in many industries. Lastly, programming fosters creativity and innovation. It allows you to create new tools, games, websites, and applications, turning your ideas into reality. Before we move on, let's go over some basic terminology you'll encounter frequently. Code, the set of instructions written in a programming language. Syntax, the rules that define the structure of a programming language. Algorithm, a step-by-step procedure for solving a problem. Bug, an error in the code that causes unexpected results. Debugging, the process of finding and fixing bugs in the code. Understanding these terms will help you follow along as we delve deeper into programming concepts. In the next video, we'll set up your coding environment and write your first program. This will be your first step towards becoming a proficient programmer. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.